How's it going, everybody? This is Robert from Riddick's English, bringing you another consonant blend lesson. Today, we're going to talk about the DR consonant blend. D, dr, dr. So, let's get started. Dragon, dragon, dragon. Dragons appear in almost all stories around the world. Drawer, drawer, drawer. She kept her socks in the bottom drawer of the dresser. Dream, dream, dream. Last night I had a strange dream about flying. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Good basketball players practice their dribbling every day. Drip, drip, drip. A drip of water fell from the leaky faucet. Droop, droop, droop. The flowers began to droop after a week without water. Drop, drop, drop. Be careful not to drop your baby sister. Drag, drag, drag. They had to drag the heavy box across the floor. Drain, drain, drain. The plumber fixed the clogged drain in the sink. Dry, dry, dry. Make sure to dry the dishes before putting them away. And there you have the DR consonant blend. Keep practicing and your vocabulary and pronunciation will certainly improve. This is Robert from Riddick's English asking you to please comment, like, and share this video. And if you would, please subscribe to our channel so we can continue to grow. I'll see you next time with another lesson.